Welcome. In this video, we will explore the concept of a shell in computing. We will discuss different shell types and their basic functionality. This is an introduction to the command line interface, which is a powerful tool for interacting with your computer. So, what exactly is a shell? A shell is a command line interpreter that provides a user interface for the operating system. Think of it as a translator between you and the computer's kernel, which is the core of the operating system. Here are some key points about a shell. First, it acts as an interface between the user and the kernel, allowing you to communicate with the operating system. Second, it processes commands that you type in and returns the output, showing you the results of your instructions. Third, it can run scripts for automation, which means you can write a series of commands in a file and the shell will execute them automatically. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks and perform complex operations with ease. There are many different types of shells, each with its own features and syntax. Let's explore some of the common types of shells. First is the Bourne shell, often abbreviated as SH. It is the original Unix shell, developed by Stephen Bourne at Bell Labs in 1979. It is the foundation for many later shells. Next is the C shell or CSH, developed by Bill Joy at UC Berkeley. It features a C-like syntax, making it easier for C programmers to use. It also introduced features like command history and job control. Finally, there is the Korn shell, written as KSH, developed by David Korn at Bell Labs. It combines features from both the Bourne and C shells, offering backward compatibility with the Bourne shell and advanced scripting features. Now let's explore some modern shells that are widely used today. First is Bash or Bourne Again shell. It is the most widely used shell in Linux environments and was developed as part of the GNU project. It's often the default shell on most Linux distributions, has enhanced scripting capabilities, command completion and history, and extensive documentation and community support. Next is Z shell, often abbreviated as ZSH. It is an extended version of Bash with numerous improvements and features. It has been the default shell in macOS since Catalina. It provides a powerful auto-completion system, spelling correction and approximate completion, themable prompts with OhmyZSH, and a plugin ecosystem for extended functionality. Let's delve into even more modern shells. First, Fish or Friendly Interactive Shell. It is a user-friendly shell focused on interactive use, with smart features available right out of the box. Some of its features include syntax highlighting as you type, intelligent tab completion, web-based configuration, and minimal configuration required. As you can see in the code example, to start Fish, simply type Fish in your terminal. Finally, there is PowerShell. This is Microsoft's task automation and configuration management framework, which is now cross-platform. Its features include an object-oriented pipeline, integration with the .NET framework, powerful scripting capabilities, and availability on Windows, macOS, and Linux. The code example shows how to get processes with CPU usage greater than 10 using PowerShell. The command is getProcess pipe whereObject with the condition CPU greater than 10. Now let's compare some features across the shells we have discussed. Here is a table highlighting the differences. As you can see, all shells support tab completion, command history, and cross-platform functionality. However, syntax highlighting, scripting capabilities, object pipelines, and plugin systems vary. Note that the symbols used here mean the following. A checkmark means full support, a tilde means partial support, and a cross means not supported natively. Now let's explore some basic shell commands that are useful regardless of which shell you choose. These commands are universal. First, we have commands for file system navigation. ls lists directory contents, cd changes directory, pwd prints the working directory, mkdir creates a new directory, and arm removes files or directories. Next, we have commands for file operations. cat displays file contents. Touch creates an empty file, cp copies files or directories, mv moves or renames files, and grep searches text patterns in files. Next, commands for system information. Uname prints system information. Huami displays the current user. DF shows disk space usage. PS displays running processes, and top monitors system processes. Finally, shell utilities. Echo prints text to the terminal. Man displays manual pages. History shows command history. Alias creates command shortcuts, and find searches for files in a directory. So, how do you choose the right shell for you? Here are some key considerations. Consider your experience level with command line interfaces, your primary use case such as scripting, daily use, or system administration, the operating system compatibility, your customization preferences and requirements, team or organization standards, and specific features needed for your workflow. Here are some recommendations by user type. For beginners, Fish is a good choice because it offers helpful features out of the box with minimal configuration. For system administrators, Bash is widely available and compatible with most systems and scripts. For developers, ZSH offers powerful features with extensive customization options. For Windows administrators, PowerShell offers deep integration with Windows systems and the .NET framework. For power users, ZSH or Fish provide advanced features and customization for efficient workflows. Finally, for cross-platform teams, Bash serves as a common denominator across most systems. In conclusion, the best shell is the one that fits your workflow and needs. Do not be afraid to experiment with different shells to find your perfect match. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.